Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nada Al from Communication and Islamic Broadcasting. Today I want to complete my segment about what is communication theory. Before we go to a description about communication theory, I want to tell you about what is communication. Communication is the process of sending and receiving message to convey information, ideas, feelings, or beliefs. In our activity, we always did communication, so we cannot avoid communication in our daily activity. After we know about definition of communication, we can make a definition about communication theory. From what I can tell, communication theory is a field of information theory that study the technical process of information. In the communication theory, we will study about interpersonal communication and intrapersonal communication, which is, if we study communication theory, our communication will be better with ourselves or with other. Or definition about communication theory we can tell is one view and strategy that work from tools and frameworks for a cause. There is three elements that we have to know if we want to study about communication theory. First is sender or communicator, or we can say people who sending a message to other. And the second is receiver or communicant. We can say this is a person who receiving message from communicator. And the last is message. Message is the information we want to convey to other or to many people. And in the communication theory, there is 13 models of communication, but the most commonly described model of communication, there is two. The famous model first is the linear model. In this model, communication work in one direction only, or there is no feedback from receiver to sender. Because in this linear model, just there is a sender who's sending a message to receiver. That receiver will be receiving the message. Sample from the linear model is Friday Hitobah. That Mubalik just sending message Islamic message to audience or to mad'u. And the second is from model Harold Laswell. Harold Laswell say communication must have 5 elements. First, who, say what, in which channel, to whom, with what effect. First, who. Who is a sender or person who sending a message. Say what is a message that want to tell from sender to receiver. Which channel or media that sender will use for sending to receiver. To whom is receiver who have to receiving message from sender. And the last is with what effect. What effect or what feedback or what response that will receiver do if he receiving the message from sender. So that is all about what is communication theory from what I can tell to you all. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.